they're getting away. But yeah, basically, yeah, what just happened was some guys on jet skis just came, like 4 of them, right up to like there, like I'm talking like right there. And I had to get out of the water for it. Literally, you could see no one is in the water because of that. Like maybe like very close, and that's it. And that boat was like going to go stop them. I saw a helicopter over there, but they're going the wrong way. If that was a police helicopter, they went the wrong way. But yeah, this is the second beach vlog, and yeah, that's just what happened. You can still see them, but like maybe not the camera under it. Can't. They were like right there. Saw the helicopter. Is that a police boat? I'm not even sure. I can't tell if that's a police boat or not, because if that's a police boat, they're dead. Hold up. I'm trying to zoom in. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not. Those dudes are just playing GTA in real life. I don't know what's happening there. But, yeah. So, I wish I could get it earlier, but so they ran away. So, yeah.